Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up this type of infinite scrolling testimonial on your GoHighLevel pages. Okay, so in this example you can see we have a bunch of different testimonials and they are vertically scrolling and it's infinite scrolling. Okay, so and also we have the hover option. Okay, so once you hover any of the testimonial, it stop the scrolling and give you a little bit bounce effect. Okay, like this you can see. So let me show you how we can set this type of scrolling testimonials on our GoHighLevel page. Okay, so first of all you need to log into GHL Code Snippets to get these code snippets, and all the setups you can do inside here and you can generate the code. Okay, so here you can see we have a code snippet called 4 columns infinite scrolling testimonials. Okay, so just click here, get the code, and then here you will need to set up your testimonials and everything. Okay, and also for simplicity we also added the star signs if you want to use these star signs. Okay, so we have 5 stars and 4 stars. Okay, so let me show you how we can set this. Here in this page you have a button to add the testimonials. Okay, so once you click on it, it will give you the option to add your star signs, then the testimonial content and the author name. Okay, so these 3 things you need to put here. Okay, so let's say for example I want to add 4 or 5 different testimonials for each of the column. Okay, so in this example you can see we have 4 columns, like the first, second, third and fourth column. Okay, and they are scrolling reverse way. Okay, so here we also have the same thing. First column this will scroll up, and then second column this will scroll down, and the third column this will scroll up, and the fourth column this will also scroll down. Okay, we have the option already, so you need to add the testimonial. Let's say for each of the column I want to add 4 testimonials or 5. It can be any amount, it's up to you, but in this demonstration I am going to add 4 into each of the column. Okay, so here all you just need to click this button, add item. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's say 4. Okay, I added 4 different placeholder. Okay, so now I will copy the star sign from here and then I will put them here. Okay, star signs, and then I will copy the testimonial that I already have. Okay, in my computer I will put them one by one. Let me add all of them. First one, then let's say second one, and third one. Okay, so I think I already added the third one. I'm going to add fourth one. Okay, 4th testimonials, and then the 5th. Okay, I think I added 4 only. Okay, that's fine. And now we need to add the author name for each of the testimonials. For example, here is the author name. In this example I'm just using the dummy content. Okay, but in your case you will add your real testimonials from your customers. Okay, and then let me add this. Okay, so this way you need to add all 4 columns. Otherwise if you want to add only 2 columns you can also do that. Okay, but the recommended is 4 column to make the page good looking. Okay, and it also mobile responsive, so nothing to be worried about that. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video and then I will add everything. Okay, all the testimonials, and get back to you. Okay, so I added all the testimonials. Let me show you. Okay, the star signs, the testimonial content and the author name for each of the column. Okay, and I added 4 column. okay, and each of the column we have 4 testimonials like this. And now we have some option to customize the design. Okay, so by default we have all the values. If you want to keep this using, then that's fine, you can do that. But if you want to change anything like the container width, okay, so the testimonial container width by default is 1400 pixel, but if you want to change, you can do that. And the container height for desktop is 700 pixel, and for mobile is 500 pixel. Okay, and here is the scrolling speed. Okay, this speed is actually based on the seconds. Okay, so it's by default 25 seconds, and the testimonial font size is 18 pixel in desktop, and mobile font size is 16 pixel, and also the testimonial font color is white. Okay, so this way we already have all the design. Okay, but if you want to change, then we can do that. We can also change the star sign size. Okay, let me increase it a little bit. Okay, so 1.5 rem. Okay, so now once you are complete with all the stuff like the design as well as edit all your testimonials, okay, everything, then all you just need to select your domain from here. Okay, so if you already don't have any domain edit into the GHL Code Snippets library, then you can just go to the domain tabs, and there you can add your domain. Okay, and after that you can add the domain from here. You can select it. Okay, from this drop down it will show all of the domain you have. Okay, so in this example I'm going to use GHL SaasKits.com. okay, so once I select the domain, it will automatically generate the code. Okay, and then just click this button to copy the code. Okay, and after that go back to your GoHighLevel page editor, and then add the custom HTML and JavaScript element, and open the editor. Okay, let me delete the previous code. Okay, so now just paste the code you copied from the GHL Code Snippets library and save it. Okay, and one more thing, you need to make sure that the domain where you are installing the code and the domain you selected here should be exactly same. Okay, you can see we have the domain called GHL SaasKits.com, and inside our GoHighLevel page we already have this domain connected, and this page is under the same domain. Okay, but the domain path can be anything, but you need to make sure that your main domain is a perfectly 100% match. Okay, so let me save it, and then I will publish it. Okay, so let me visit the page. Okay, if you visit the preview URL, it will actually not work because must work on the domain. Okay, so let me scroll down, and then you can see we have perfectly set our testimonials. Okay, like this, and it's working just fine, and it will be infinite scrolling testimonial set. Okay, so this is how you can add your vertical scrolling testimonial on GoHighLevel page. Okay, so I think you enjoyed the video. If you find this helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel, and also you can share with your friend, and you can ask if you have any other questions. Okay, thanks again for watching this video. Have a nice day.